Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers, and in this video we are quickly going to discuss about some latest updates about the Blum project which you are supposed to know, and then I'm going to guide you here to make sure that you are qualified for this airdrop. That is if you have not yet been qualified. So I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step process to make sure that you are qualified, and then to also make sure that you know what is up with this project, and then you are positioning yourself and be ready for the airdrop that is going to be happening very soon. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Before we go into Blum's project, let me quickly talk about this wrapped pie once again. I have been talking about it, and I want to think that a good number of us have been joining in, but a lot of us have still not yet started. You have not yet started because you don't still believe in this project. So guys, please I am begging you now, and you are not paying me for it, but I am asking you to quickly go to the comment section or in the description section of this video, and you are going to see the link to this project, the wrapped pie or the WPI. So make sure that you join and start up immediately. I've told you that this project it has the same value as that of pi. It means that if one pi is equals to $1, it means that one WPI will be $1. If one pi is equals to $10, it simply means that one WI will be equivalent to $10. So it's same thing. So it is a project that you should not joke with, and it's actually very easy to mine. So all you have to do is just come here and be claiming it. It's as simple as that. So once you claim, you go off just like pi. You go off. Once you go off, it will be mining for you. Then until any time you feel like you want to come and claim, you can come back and claim again. It's as simple as that, nothing more than that. And in my last video about this project, I showed you there that they have developed from just a Telegram a mining bot. They are now also featuring in a web browser. So it is a project that please just head over and start up immediately. I'm going to leave the links to both the browser and the Telegram in the comment section of this video, and also in the description section, so that you can join and start participating immediately. Don't joke with it. The first thing, make sure that you are still coming here to claim your streak right here, and then also claim your Blum point right here. And then if you now come back right here, you see this, so just swipe it to your right hand side, Blum Airdrop Checker, so live now, and then just click on am I eligible. So click on that. So these are the conditions for you to be eligible. So all you have to do is check if you are in. So once you check that, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do this, and then how you can do this. Now let's quickly go into that. So just click on friends right here, and then you are going to come here, then you can generate your referral link. If you look right here, you see that I have 3 friends, but right there on the board they are telling me that I don't yet have I don't have these 2 referral criteria. Now some of you have referred people, but you discover that it is not counting. Now what do I mean by it is not counting? It means that you have referred people, you have sent your link to them, and you are sure that they have joined, but if you come right here, you will see that the referral count is not there. So meaning that it's showing that nobody has joined under you. It's very simple. All you have to do is make sure that you tell them to go and connect their wallet on the Blum project. You see this, so just tell them. Once immediately they connect, if they join through your link, immediately they connect this is going to count right here. Now why is it showing me like I don't have up to 2 referral, meanwhile I have 3 right here? It's very simple. I believe that they have not made their updates, or I believe that they are still going to update their systems, and then this is going to count for me. This thing is the Sybil check, and then it's very simple. All you have to do is come over to this section right here, and then click on link email right here. So once you click on link email, so you can just go ahead, insert your email. So once you insert your email, so you can just go ahead, click on submit. So once you click on submit, just wait. So you see it's showing me an error. Now if it is showing an error like this, it's very simple. So now if you head over to X right here, you can see this is the official X account with over 5.3 million followers. And then if you look right here, this post was made I think 4 days ago, and they pin it on their account right here, which says that to keep the Blum airdrop fair, we use anti-Sybil filters like multi-account farming, so drop game abuse via script, Sybil databases, and other detection methods. Say official appeal form. Now what does this official appeal simply means that if your account is showing mine, let's say like for example, as we have checked through the airdrop right here, you see that I've passed these 3 up, but I have not passed this one. So if you fall under this category, it is very simple. All you have to do is head over to X, so which is the X, and then you fill this form right here. So you have to click on that. I'm going to leave the link in the description section of this video and also in the comment section so that you can easily access it. So once you click on the link, it is going to open up like this. So once you get over here, all you have to do is just go ahead, enter your Telegram username right here, and then once you have entered your user Telegram name, so you can see Telegram handle, you can check it via user in food. So you can either enter your Telegram username, or you enter this right here. So either of the two, and then you are going to come down. Why do you think you are not a Sybil? So what is your reason? So if whatever reason you have, you just have to give here, and then you are going to answer this question: how many Blum accounts do you have? So if it is just one, you have to see it, make sure that it is just one account you are using. How many accounts is your wallet connected to? So you have to answer this. Once you have answered the information, you just have to come down and click on submit right here. So you can see I've tried to link my account and then it's not working. So I just give my reason right here. So you see, why do you think you are not a Sybil? So my reason is simple: verification link not sent to my email. So it was not sent. So they asked me how many Blum accounts do you have. So I'll just go ahead, click on 1. I'll say 1, and then I'll click on submit right here. So you just have to wait. So you can see Blum application form, your response has been recorded. So that is all. So you have done all those 2 criteria, and you are now waiting for the Blum. While waiting for the Blum project, come over to this earn section. You see this earn section right here. There are tasks every week. You see this task will appear. So it has appeared for today. All you have to do is make sure you click on that. So click on open, and then be clicking on start. So you click on start. So it's as simple. You have to just go ahead and claim. I've claimed 90 Blum points. 90. That is a total of 450 Blum points by completing just this task right here. So by doing this, you are earning more. So you can see I've gotten 450. Then this one, I'm going to get 333 Blum points right there. So I will just come back and then wait for it to verify and show me claim, and then I'm going to claim. And then if you come over right here, you see all of these tasks. Look at it, they are massive. You see this academy, wow. You see how many Blum points I'm 250. Wow, look at that, many. Look at that, guys. So you are going to earn massively right here. Now you might be asking me, because most all these ones right here, you will need to insert a code after you have click on start. You see verify right now. So there are codes you need to enter right here, and it's very easy for you to get the code. You might be asking me how. It's very simple. If you come over to my Telegram, this is my official Telegram account, and then you can see that today is third. You can see right here, and then earlier today I compiled another list of Blum codes. So you can see one is pinned right here, and then I've added this particular one today again. So you can see a lot of Blum codes are here. Everything that you have in the Blum right there as codes are in this particular post. So if you are not part of my community, make sure that you go to the description section of this video and also in the comment section, and you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel. Click on that and then come over here, complete all of these tasks. Now you don't have time. Don't say you are going to, don't postpone it. Don't say you are going to do it when you have free time. Why am I saying so? If you head over to the Blum Telegram channel right here, you are going to see that they have made this announcement I think yesterday, and they said 5 days left. So 5 days left for snapshot. That was yesterday. So today, as at today, it is 4 days left. Maybe by the time you are watching this video, it will just be 3 days left. So all you have to do is you can see 5 days left until the Blum snapshot, and then they say check if you are eligible. I've already shown you if you are not eligible. So do the simple things I've told you, especially for you who are not eligible. I made this video particularly for you so that you can try some of these things I've given you, and probably you are going to be eligible at the end of the day. So that is all I wanted to share with you in this particular video, guys. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.